Assalamu alaikum guys, and welcome to another episode of Smile to Jannah. Ghanaian international Arsenal midfielder Thomas Partey has accepted Islam. The Quranly app, subscription cheaper than Netflix, encouraging Quran reading, modern, engaging and fun. Download it today.
Smile to Jannah.
Now, I haven't seen it mentioned on his socials, so I don't want to speculate as to why he accepted Islam, but it has been confirmed by two news outlets. Last month, he had victory on the pitch when Arsenal awarded him with Player of the Month. And this month, he has victory off the pitch as Allah has awarded him with Islam. I know what you're thinking, yeah? When's my man gonna make a joke about his surname and be done with it? Look, I'm sorry, it's just not that kind of Partey.
You're a joke. No one can take you seriously after that. You are an absolute joke.
I know, only Boris Johnson would get that joke. Look, I'm sorry, it's just not that kind of Partey.
Yes.
Okay, I'm done. So, Partey joined Arsenal about 2 years ago from Atletico Madrid, and it was for a sum of £45 million. Now, someone that's of that kind of value, someone that's rolling in money, someone who has their face shown around the world, frankly, what would the need be for him to convert to Islam? Now, I'm putting this to the Muslims that only go to the mosque every now and then, or even to the people who think like Islam, it's just one religion amongst the religions, mate. But him, being the guy who he is, feeling the need to convert to Islam, naturally assumes that what he has is just not doing the job. There's something missing, and that hole that he had, well, it's been filled with Islam. Materialism and accolades just didn't cut it.
Things you own end up owning you.
And some of us watching, hopefully few, not that many, have sacrificed a lot for recognition, respect and money. We've, let's face it, screwed over family, friends and our morals, religion and dignity. But ultimately, what's going to help you in the hereafter, the passport that will help you get to Jannah, is what Thomas Partey is holding in this picture, which is the verbatim word of Allah, a guide, an instruction manual on how to live our life. When we buy a product, we need to know how it works, and if we start fluffing about without the instruction manual, we're gonna get things wrong. So likewise, if we go about life without referring to the Quran, we're gonna get things wrong. And guys, if money was of any use, we'd see these tyrants that have died in the past. They would have taken all their materialist wealth with them. However, where's that wealth? Either when we dig them up, it's in their grave, or it's displayed in museums. So I want to end with this, guys. Islam is food and nourishment for the soul. If the soul doesn't receive this nourishment, it withers away. It becomes weak and susceptible to these isms and schisms and plagues that are infecting our modern society, and we become a sheep amongst the herd. May Allah give us the ability to understand, to appreciate, value and do justice to this religion. If you're not a Muslim and you want to know what's in that book that Thomas Partey is holding, and you don't want to spend a few bob, no problem. I'm going to put a link in the description for you to get your own free copy of the Quran. Yeah, that's right, mate. Let's leave it there. Until next time. Assalamu alaikum.